I have music over this park,
okay. So basically, Westworld is this amusement park that looks like it's the size of a state.
Got my shampoo in my hair. Now I am getting ready to shower and wash it out.
A few moments later.
Alright. This is my hair fresh out of the shower. Oh, I feel so good and refreshed. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I just finished washing my hair. Well, I say I just finished. It's actually a few hours later. I washed my hair. I wrapped it with this shirt because with locks you don't use a towel because you'll get a lot more lint in your hair with the towel. So I use a shirt. Hi baby, yeah. Hey, my daughter's in here watching Moana. Where you at, girl? Say hi. You say hi? My hair and everything. Now I am about to use these pipe cleaners, which is popular, which is what you use to curl your hair if you have locks. Well, if you have small, like tissue locks, micro locks. I assume, I don't know, I'm still learning, but this is what I'm going to use because they actually turn out really good. I've used them before, so I will show y'all that. I'll show you some of them as I do them, and then I'll come back and show you the end once I get all of my hair wrapped. So there's one in. Now we got several more to go, so let's get to it. Good morning. It is 4 a.m. Probably, yeah. It's 4 a.m. and I finished curling my hair last night. This is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna take it down. I'm going to go ahead and take it down.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them.
Alright, I'm going to get dressed and I will be back in a bit. Hey y'all, I got my hair up. I'll let y'all see my hair once I finish getting, well, I'm finished getting dressed. I got my hair up. I'm just laying at my edges a little bit and I'll let y'all see that in a little bit. But I'm in here making the kids lunches because I'm going to get ready to start getting them up. All the kids are asleep. It's currently 5:16, so I got their lunches out, and then I'm gonna put them a hot meal in their thermos to go along with that. The pouches got vegetables in them. Try to get their fruit and veggie, and then a hot meal. I'm gonna heat that up in a little bit, but I don't want to make too much noise with the microwave, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make my lunch, and then I'll start getting the kids up, so I'll come back to y'all soon. It's 6 o'clock, sweetie. I got my husband awake. Now it's the baby. Look who's up. That baby. What that girl? What that girl? Look who's up. I said, what kind of work?
Mental work, spiritual work, dealing with these folks at work and experience.
Say hi, Elijah. Oh. Say hi, Ellie. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Leah. Leah, baby. Leah, baby. You about to come out of here. Baby.
A few moments later.
Hey, how y'all doing? We are in the car. Say hi. Say hi, Ellie. Hi. Hi. Yay. All the babies in there. There's a little baby. I should drop them off at school. And then I will be heading to work. And I'll be back with y'all after I drop the kids off inside. Bye. You said bye? Bye. Bye. In the car, it's me. The kiddos are gone. Yeah. I didn't realize I had that music still on. Yeah, we have a gas station that had gas that was under $4. It was $3.98. So I need to stop and get gas. And fill up while it's for the low ski or lower than it's been. I'm headed into work. So I will catch y'all when I'm in the building at work, just so y'all can see, you know, I've made it, I've arrived, everything's good, I'm safe, all those good things. So yeah, we've been blessed with the opportunity to be able to share, you know, our lives, our, you know, progress, our struggles, everything with the world, you know, because it hadn't been long that like our parents and their parents and stuff like that weren't able to do this. And you can even do it to the point where you make money from it and make a lifestyle out of it. So that's just such a great opportunity, and I'm so grateful. And as I'm building myself and growing, I can encourage you to do the same and just go after your dreams despite, you know, what's going on and things that might seem difficult and hard in your life. Just to focus and try to go after your dreams and do the best that you can do. You know, you owe that to yourself. I'm gonna finish my speech when I get to work because these people don't know how to drive and I want to be safe. So love y'all, be right back. Hi, I'm in my office. So I finally made it to work. I just wanted to finish what I was saying, which is that you owe you, and just know that, you know, nobody's gonna show up for you like you do. I'm sure you're investing your time, your energy into your job, other people, your kids, maybe even your parents, But sometimes you have to sit back and reflect and make sure that you're doing something for you, investing in you, and making sure that you don't have any regrets, that you live your life to the fullest and you do as much as you can, make the best of your current situation and make a prosperous future for yourself. So ultimately, it's just to say that you want to make your future self proud. So make sure that you're doing everything now that your future self will thank you for. So if you want to see what I do throughout the day and my workday routine, then be sure to check out the next video. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Love you.